I have created a new channel especially and dedicated to the researchers. If you are a researcher, this is the best place to find out each and every stuff regarding your research, like the paper publication and everything. Now how we will search it? So just open YouTube and click and type the researchers adda and then enter. So you will get here, this is the researchers adda, this is the first link. So subscribe if you are new and explore this channel. Also go to the researchers adda. So here you will get all kind of the video related to the research and all the stuffs you will get here on daily basis, regular 8 AM morning. So 8 AM morning पर आपको सारे वीडियो मिलने वाले related to the research. So subscribe this channel for upcoming videos. So don't miss any upcoming video. Very important video you will find here. Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about the Springer Journal and Quickly Publication Journal. So the first journal is name is the Springer Journal and the journal title name is the Journal of Computer Science and Technology. So this is the quick publication journal. So we will explore this journal in detail. So these are the three tabs. First one is the editorial board member and aim and scope and journal updates. So these are the very important thing whenever we explore any Springer journal. These are the three different thing and we should know about the aim and scope and journal updates and what are the types of the article issues and when it will be published. So what about the frequency and impact factor, site score. These are the very important role played by the particular factors in that any journal. So this is the journal introduction. Journal of Computer Science, JCST is an international forum of the scientist and engineering. So this is the introduction and description of this particular journal. So read out it carefully and what types of the things will be covered. So the most important thing about this journal is this. So this is the Springer journal and publish it by monthly basis. So we can say this is the quickly publication journal and they are mentioned here. Bi-monthly means here within 2 months your research paper will get published within 2 months in on the language of the English. So we can also explore more about this detail. So this type of journal covers what types of the things. First one is the survey paper. So you can submit your research paper, survey paper, review article from an expert in the field of the different types of the field. So we will discuss about also. So the content including original research. So if you are having or if you have prepared your research paper for as a survey paper or review paper, so you can also publish your research paper, survey paper and review paper in the field of the computer science. And coverage include the computer architecture, system, artificial intelligence, pattern recognition and many more things will be covered by in this journal. So if your research area comes under this category, you can publish your research in the quickly publication Springer journal. So just go to the aim and scope and deep detail. So here we will find out about the aim and scope, what types of the topics and all the things, timelines and paper publication. So this is the peer reviewed journal. So you can see here and published in the English language in the field of the computer field. And this is the topics. So these are the topics. First one is the computer architecture and system, artificial intelligence, pattern recognition, computer network, distributed computing, graphics, multimedia, software system, data management, data mining, theory and algorithm and emerging areas. So topics are not limited, but your research area comes under the category of the emerging area. Definitely you can publish your research paper in this rapid publication journal. So this is all about the journal aim and scope. Now we will deep dive about the impact factor and site score. So this is the bi-monthly basis publication paper. Now about the editorial. So these are the editorial board editors detail. Now the impact factor is the 1.5 by 2019 and the 5 years 1.3 and the how many papers are being downloaded and also so many things are comes under this particular section. Now the latest issue, this is the volume published in the issue 4 July 2020, 25th of July 2020 it has published their recent issue. So if you want to explore this issue you can go this particular section. Now about the latest article, so what types of the article have been published in this particular journal. So you can see there according to the date wise. So this is the research paper or manuscript title and published on the 27th of July. So this is the information of the research paper published in this particular journal. And one more thing about this particular journal, so this also published in the open access article. So this journal also published in the open access category. So if you want to explore this published research article if you for your research study, so definitely you can download, because the meaning of the open research access in the article you can download freely. Now journal update, if you want to explore more about this journal update, so what types of the calling of the papers and issues are coming in the future, so all the things are given here. So that submission deadline October 2020, so if you and expected publication in the May 2021. So if your research area comes under this particular category, then explore this topic and need to submit your research paper for the publication. So these are the kind of the calling of the papers and for the special issues. So March this already expired date, and so this is the sufficient time. Now be all updates, so just explore and also the sign up for the expert and alerts. Now most important thing about the indexing, so indexing is very important of any kind of the journal. So this is the electronic version ISSN number and also the print version ISSN number. So this journal published in this two categories, online and print version. Now we will discuss about abstract indexing. So you can see here, this is the very rich indexing of this particular Springer journal. So I think all the reputed indexing and abstracting are here. So we always focus on this particular, first of all, Scopus index journal. So this is the Scopus index journal, Science Citation Index. So this is the SCI index journal and also the UGC care listed journal. So this is the very important thing. If you're seeking the UGC care listed journal, SCI index journal and also the SCI index journal and quick publication journal, so all the combination comes under this particular Springer journal. So publisher is also renowned, so there is no issue about the authenticity and publication timing. So they already mentioned about the publication time. So this is the bi-monthly publication, so you can publish your research paper on the bi-monthly basis in this particular journal, because it is having all the issue that every researcher want to publish their research in reputed journal like Impact Factor, UGC care listed journal, SCI index journal, Scopus index journal, and this is all the things are criteria are matching with this journal. So explore this journal for your research paper publication. So what about the submission guidelines? So just click on this particular submission guidelines, so you will be redirected to the submission guidelines. So just you need to explore all the guidelines. So here I will discuss about this particular guideline. So this is the open access journal published paper. So if your research area comes under this category, then you can download it paper freely. Now about the format and submission guidelines, so this is the template and kind of author's guidelines. So just read out it carefully about this particular journal. So this is the journal title, Journal of Computer Science and Technology, instruction for authors. So in this PDF you will get all the required information or kind of information about the research paper manuscript preparation. So this is the layout. So how we will do that? So the abstract category, so abstract you will have 100 to 250 words maximum. So they already mentioned, and these are the keywords. So this is the space for the keyword and introduction. So this is the paper format, how we will write our research paper and manuscript for this particular journal, and manuscript submission, all the things are given here. So this is the link for the manuscript submission, so you can directly go to the submission tab also. And this is the title page. So if you are going to prepare your title, so follow these guidelines. So everything is mentioned here, text, how we will write our research paper, all the things are given here. So all the kind of support provided by the journal, so you can just explore in detail and carefully. Definitely you will be write a good research paper and also follow all the author's guidelines, so your research paper will get published in this quick publication Springer journal. So this is the journal paper format. So accordingly we have to prepare our research paper and manuscript in this format. So these are the pattern of the references. So follow all the guidelines, and after preparation, so this is the author, so this is the picture of the author, first author, so second author, third author, so there are all the authors information will be pasted here. So this is the very important thing about this, and this is the Scopus Index journal and SCI Index journal. So you can publish your research papers, so all the things are given here. So go to this particular journal and try and explore if your research area comes under this category. So this is the very good journal to in the category of the Springer and in the field of the computer science, and there are so many topics covered by this particular. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching this video, friends. On the behalf of request of this particular YouTube viewers and our YouTube family members, I have created a new channel especially for the researchers. So go to the description box, you will find the researcher Adda so link. So डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको उसकी लिंक मिल जाएगी टॉप पर. सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर लिंक एंड ज्वाइन दैट channel, and on the regular basis you will have the new videos on the research topic, especially on the research topic. So on the regular basis daily 8 a.m. morning. So friends, thank you for watching this video.